Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today we will talk about the first method in how to make money without the need for experience or a website online, starting with design and Photoshop. If you have good skills in the field of design and Photoshop, there are many editing opportunities for you to win monthly from the internet. I'm going to share one with you, which is Etsy shop. Let's start by creating a new account in Etsy shop and start doing some work. Going to Etsy. Okay, let's go. This is etsy.com, which is the website that we are using here in this explanation. Okay, now after heading to the website, you need to fill this information. Your first name, let's say okay, then add the password, then re-enter your password. After filling this information, you will find yourself clicking register. Okay, this is the first name, this is the email address. Sorry for that. Okay, now we have all the information. Just click register. As you can see, now you are in. This is your account. Then activate your account from your email and log on to your store on etsy.com. Let's go to our email address and look for an email from Etsy. As you can see, this is it. Click on confirm account to confirm your account. This is our confirmed account on Etsy, as you can see. Now, before you start, you have to know that you will sell digital designs or virtual products, which anyone can buy and they will have to print them by themselves. So we have to find the best areas that provide opportunities to sell virtual products. We will search within the sections of this site, adding the word digital to the search bar. We will use, for example, digital wall art. Okay, digital wall art, and click on search. As you can see, these are the designs that are offered under this search result. The designs with the word ad are designs on this website and are provided here using paid ads. And the design can be printed on small plates and can be hung to a wall. This is what digital wall art mean. Now, the result also shows that design prices vary. This is due to several factors. Most important, of course, is professional design. So you will find one $5 and the other one $20. As you can see, one $5, $6, and you will find $4. As you can see, $54, and it did sell at least 53 of these pieces. So, but even if we took the cheapest design in this result, let's sort them by cheapest from $1 to $2. As you can see, for sure there is other cheaper options. We find that it has been sold at least 98 times. As you can see, this one for $1.66. So this made him more than $100 for this very cheap design and very simple design. It's just saying enjoy the little things. So it's basically nothing. As you can see, if we checked any of these designs, let's see its page, you can see that here there is an option for instant download. You can find the word instant download. This means that this is available for download as a printable design. This is the target market for you as a designer. After finding the area you like, go to your store settings here, then go to the account settings. If you want to sell on Etsy, you must click here for sure, sell on Etsy. Open your Etsy shop. As you can see, this is the information that you need to fill before you start your online work on Etsy. These are very simple and very straightforward. The shop currency, leave these to the defaults. Which of the best describe you? Selling is my full-time job. I sell part-time but hope to sell full-time. Let's choose the second option. Then click save and continue. Name your shop. Let's name it Digital Wall Art. Okay, without spaces, so let's make it stick together. Digital Wall Art. This is not available, it's taken. So let's take Digital Wall Art Shop instead. Click save and continue. Stock your shop. Add as many listings as you can. 10 or more would be great to start. More listing means more chances to be discovered. You can simply add a listing and add items to this list. But this thing you need to do after creating your full shop account. You need to add photos, as you can see. I will try to skip this step because it will take a lot of time. You need to do it yourself. If you have a design or an image, you can add it and add its information here. But let me discard these changes and go back to creating our account. Save and continue. Okay, they need at least one listing. I'll pause and create that listing, then get back to you to save some time. Now, once you add a listing with at least one photo for a start, it will ask you how you will get paid. Choose how you want to receive payments for your sales. You can choose any method that you want, but for now it's suppose PayPal, payment by mail, or other. For me, I'll choose PayPal. I will add my PayPal, then get back. Now, after adding the PayPal account, click on save and continue. This is the billing. Add a billing. You won't be charged now. We will add 0.20 to your bill for the listing in your shop, which will be due on the first day of the next calendar month. So you need to add your credit card information because they want to make sure that you are serious in doing this. After that, you can simply click on open your shop after adding the information here, and you need to add the information that have the star mark, as you can see here. Then simply click on open your shop. In the next lesson, we will talk about how to customize your shop and how to find things to publish on your shop. Thanks for watching this lesson. This is Money Makers Team.